Welcome today. The 2025 Mansory Pickup Truck redefines luxury, power, and style. We're taking an exclusive tour of the 2025 Mansory Pickup Truck, a marvel in the world of luxury vehicles. From rugged performance to unmatched elegance, this pickup. Explore the sleek and stylish exterior crafted with precision and attention to detail that only Mansory can deliver. Aerodynamic lines, bold grille, and distinctive LED lighting make this pickup stand out on the road. Premium materials, flawless finishes, and customizable options ensure a unique look for every owner. Under the hood, the Mansory pickup boasts impressive specs. Engine options: choose from a 6.7 LV8 diesel, 6.8 LV8, or 7.3 LV LV8. Horsepower ranges from 405 to 500 HP. Towing capacity: a robust 13,800 to 22,000 lbs. Whether you're hauling cargo or hitting the open road, this powerhouse delivers unmatched performance. Step inside to experience opulence. Premium leather seats with intricate stitching, the advanced infotainment system, and intuitive controls. Ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof, and noise-canceling technology. The Mansory pickup sets new standards for comfort and convenience. Cutting-edge technology enhances the driving experience. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras. Wireless charging, smartphone integration, and voice commands. Off-road modes for conquering any terrain. Safety and convenience seamlessly integrated. Watch as we put the Mansory through its paces. Mud, sand, rocky trails, the pickup handles it all. Four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and adjustable suspension. Ground clearance and approach departure angles optimized for off-road. The 2025 Mansory Pickup Truck redefines luxury, power, and style.